Are you looking to bake a delicious, classic treat? Well, don't hit that back button because you will learn how to make chocolate chip cookies in this video. Coming up. Here are the ingredients you will need to make chocolate chip cookies. You'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, brown sugar, butter, an egg, salt, baking soda, chocolate chips, and vanilla extract. You can also add nuts, but nuts are optional. You're also going to need a medium-sized mixing bowl, a wooden or Teflon spoon, wire racks, egg beaters, and a few baking trays. Parchment paper too to line your baking trays. Alright, let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to want to soften your butter, so take your 2 sticks of butter and soften them in the microwave for a few seconds. You'll know when they're ready if you poke them and an indentation remains. You do not want to melt your butter. Add your butter to the mixing bowl. And crack your egg into the mixing bowl also. Use the egg beaters to beat together the egg and the butter. Add in the white and brown sugar to the bowl. You'll want to pack your brown sugar down when you measure it. Use the egg beaters to beat together the sugar with the butter and egg. Oh, and don't forget to add vanilla extract at this point too. The mixture should be creamed together and no lumps of sugar, egg, or vanilla should remain. Now we add in the solid ingredients. Mix into the batter the salt, baking soda, and flour. Gently stir in the ingredients with your Teflon spoon. Do not use the egg beaters. With all the solid ingredients mixed in, now it's time to add in the chocolate chips. And nuts if you got them. With the chocolate chips and nuts mixed into your dough, take your baking trays lined with parchment papers and drop around 12 or so cookies onto each tray by the spoonful. This tray is going into the oven. While that one starts to bake, we're going to fill the second baking tray. You want to bake the cookies at 375 degrees for around 10 to 12 minutes, or until the tops are browned. You'll know it when you see it. Once the cookies are done baking, remove them carefully from the oven. Transfer the cookies onto the wire racks to allow them to cool better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, drop a subscription, hit that bell. If you want to see more baking videos, stay tuned and watch more Greens and Machines.